So this is a chapter 26, legislation and business. So these are different laws a business has to follow, the purpose of laws, and the impact on business. So this is your chapter 26, legislation and business. Importance of legislation is to control businesses that otherwise might put profits before looking after its customers or treating their employees fairly. Ensures fair system, that is, they meet some legal requirements. Principles of consumer law. Consumer law exists to try and protect consumers and their interests. Quality. Consumer law requires that all products sold must be fit for the purpose. Product should be free from defects. Consumer rights. Consumer Right Act 2015. You don't need to remember the date, etc. You just need to know what these rights mean. States that if business do not meet their legal requirements, customers are entitled to a refund as long as proof of purchase can be shown. It is responsibility of the business that sold the goods to resolve any issues, not the manufacturers. So it's the retailer who is responsible to resolve the issues. Customer can request that any unsatisfactory work is repaired at no extra cost. Principles of employment law aims to prevent businesses from discriminating against employees at work based on protected characteristics such as sex, age, religion, and disability. Protect workers in four main areas: recruitment, pay, discrimination, health and safety. Recruitment, the Equality Act 2010 makes it unlawful for employees to be discriminated against job applicants and existing workers because of protective characteristics. Employment law also means that a business cannot state or imply that it will discriminate against anyone in a job advert, ask if a person is married, looking to have children, request information on date of birth unless it is a requirement to carry out the job role like selling alcohol, ask about health and disability unless these are necessary requirements of the job, refuse to employ someone based on a criminal conviction that has been served. Equal Pay Act 1970 states that employers must pay men and women the same for work of equal value and status. Employees over 18 must be paid at least the national minimum wage. This was extended in 2003 to include 16 and 17-year-olds. Since April 2016, employees above 25 must be paid at least the national living wage. This was extended to include 23-year-olds and 24-year-olds from April 2021. Discrimination. It is unlawful to discriminate against any employee based on their protected characteristics in terms of selection, training, promotion, or redundancy. Health and safety. The Health and Safety Act 1974 states that employers have the duty to ensure the health and safety and welfare of their employees. The Act requires safe operation and maintenance of the working environment, both machines and the building, safe use, handling, and storage of dangerous substances, adequate training of staff to ensure health and safety, adequate welfare provisions for staff at work. Employees also have legal duty to ensure that they cooperate with their business over health and safety matters. So it's not just the employers whose responsibility it is, it's the employees are responsible as well. The impact of legislation on business. Cost. Existence of legislation results in large amounts of paperwork. This costs time and money, increased cost, lower profits, and can result in business being forced to charge higher prices, which can make small businesses uncompetitive. Benefits of meeting these obligations. Consumer law: improved reputation, avoid bad publicity, less cost of repair, replacement, and paperwork. Fines can be avoided. Employment law: a more diverse workforce will be employed, leading to better decision making. Wider pool of applicants may apply for the job. Higher staff retention, increased productivity as staffs are motivated to work in a safe environment.